Hello friends, good morning everyone. Welcome to Educational Wing. Let's fly with success. Today is 3rd December 2020. This is our current affairs session. I am Sujit Kumar Mishra, your friend and mentor here to discuss and analyze today's current affairs. It is very much helpful for all competitive examination because current affair plays an important role in all competitive exam. So try to watch the session till end for your better knowledge and preparation. And one thing, those who first visit Educational Wing, please subscribe the channel for the upcoming updates. Okay, let's proceed. This was our previous two questions. We have to answer it first. Our first question was, who became the fastest player to reach 22,000 international run? Virat Kohli, Rohit Sharma, Sachin Tendulkar, option D Shikhar Dhawan. The correct answer here is option A Virat Kohli. Recently Virat Kohli, the Indian captain, is the fastest player to reach the 22,000 international run. Okay. Our second question was, Arunodaya scheme launched in which state? Bihar, Assam, Meghalaya, or option D Sikkim. The correct answer here is option B Assam. Arunodaya is the name of the scheme. It is launched in Assam. Okay, and due to this scheme, about 830 rupees will be given to about 18 lakhs family. Okay, Assam is news. The capital of Assam is Dispur. Chief Minister is Sarbanand Sonowal, and Jagdish Mukhi is the governor of Assam. Okay, I hope you got the facts also now. So proceed towards today's first question. First question of the today's session is, when World Computer Literacy Day is observed? 1st December, 2nd December, 3rd of December, or option D 4th December. The correct answer here is option B 2nd of December. Every year World Computer Literacy Day is observed in 2nd of December. Okay, that this day is celebrated to create awareness and drive digital literacy in underserved communities worldwide. Okay, and remember one thing, in 2nd December and another day also celebrated, that is National Pollution Control Day. National Pollution Control Day also observed in 2nd of December. I want to inform you one thing, that in description the monthly revision session of the November current affairs we cover yesterday. I will provide the link in the description. You may go through the link and you see the monthly current affairs session, okay, of November. Next question. Who is appointed as the new global CEO of Bata? Sandeep Kataria, Alexis Nassar, Anil Kumar, or option D none of these. The correct answer here is Sandeep Kataria. So option A is correct here. The footwear major Bata Shoe organization has appointed Sandeep Kataria as the new global chief executive officer. Okay, you can see here the image of Sandeep Kataria. Remember, the headquarters of the Bata is situated in Lausanne, Switzerland. In Lausanne, Switzerland, the headquarters is situated, and it is a very old company, and it is founded in 24 August 1894. In 1894, Bata company was established. Okay. Next question. Which city is the world's most polluted city? Lahore, Delhi, Kathmandu, or option D none of these. This question is very much important. Okay. The correct answer here is Lahore, the capital of Pakistan. Capital of Pakistan. Recently, the capital of Pakistan, Lahore, has been ranked as the world's most polluted city according to US Air Quality Index, AQI, Air Quality Index, and our Delhi, the capital of India, is in the 2nd position in pollution, and Kathmandu, of the capital of Nepal, it is the 3rd rank in the polluted city. Okay, first is Lahore, second is Delhi, third is Kathmandu. Next question. What is India's GDP according to OECD? -7%, -8%, -9.9%, or option D -10%. The correct answer here is -9.9%. So option C is correct here. The OECD abbreviation is, first remember, Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development. Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development. Recently, OECD has marginally raised its GDP forecast for India to a contraction of -9.9%. percent. Okay. Next question. Dware Sarkar campaign launched by which state? Can we identify the personality? The image of Mamata Banerjee, the Chief Minister of West Bengal. So option B is correct here. The West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has launched a massive campaign titled Dware Sarkar. It means government at doorstep. Government at doorstep, to aware people about the 11th state-run welfare scheme and help them avail its benefits. Okay. West Bengal is in news. The capital of West Bengal is Kolkata. Chief Minister is Mamata Banerjee, and Jagdeep Dhankar is the governor of West Bengal. I hope you got the facts also now. Next question. Who has e-launched virtually Adi Mahotsav in Madhya Pradesh 2020? Arjun Munda, Prakash Javadekar, Om Birla, or absentee none of these. Can you guess the answer here? The correct answer here is Union Minister Arjun Munda. The Union Minister for Tribal Affairs Arjun Munda has launched the first ever virtual edition of Adi Mahotsav Madhya Pradesh. The campaign name is Adi Mahotsav Madhya Pradesh. In this campaign, the traditional things of the tribes will be displayed. Okay. Question number 7. Who has successfully test-fired anti-ship version of BrahMos missile? MHA, Indian Army, DRDO, or absentee none of these. The correct answer here is Indian Army. Recently, Indian Army successfully test-fired the anti-ship version of BrahMos missile. Okay, you can see here the image. Indian Army, the Chief of Indian Army is MM Narbane, Manoj Mukund Narbane. Okay. Next question. Who has appointed as ambassador of BAFTA Breakthrough Initiative in India? A.R. Rahman, Sonu Nigam, Udit Narayan, or absentee none of these. As per you identify the image here, the answer here is option A, A.R. Rahman. The Oscar and the Grammy winning Indian composer A.R. Rahman recently has been roped in as the ambassador of the BAFTA Breakthrough Initiative in India. A.R. Rahman. Okay. Question number 9. Who has launched a tech-based loan management solution called Lens the Lending Solution? SBI, PNB, HDFC, or option D, IDBI Bank. The correct answer here is Punjab National Bank. So option B is correct here. Recently, Punjab National Bank has launched a tech-based loan management solution called Lens the Lending Solution. Lens the Lending Solution. Okay. I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Last question of the today's session. This is question number 10. Which state aims to completely eliminate ads by 2030? Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand, or option D, Chhattisgarh? The correct answer here is option A, Madhya Pradesh. Recently, Madhya Pradesh government aims to completely eliminate ads by 2030. Okay, because in Madhya Pradesh the number of ads present is growing rapidly recently, so the Madhya Pradesh government is going to taking some advantage steps towards to control the ads, but and they press that they eliminate the ads by 2030. Madhya Pradesh is in news. The capital of Madhya Pradesh is Bhopal. Chief Minister is Shivraj Singh Chauhan, and Anandiben Patel is the governor of Madhya Pradesh also. Okay, I hope you got the facts also now. As per you know, this is our question of the day, and you have to give the answer in our comment section, and we will discuss this answer in our upcoming session. Our first question is, who is appointed as new chairperson of NDDB? Our second question is, who is appointed as Secretary General of Lok Sabha? Please try to answer in the comment section. Thereby a regular practice is done by you. It is very much helpful for your competitive examination. Okay, if you like the session, then you can share it in your educational related Facebook and WhatsApp social media group. Thereby many students got help. Thank you for watching this session. Please like, subscribe and share as much as you can. And those who first visit educational wing, please subscribe the channel for the upcoming updates. Thank you. Have a great day.